All right, this tutorial is going to cover the Training Objective Report feature in the SFFMA portal. The Objectives Report feature is a great tool for allowing the department administrator to see exactly where their members are in their training as they're working toward various SFFMA certifications. And it also is a good aid for helping the administrator to design classes so that they can be working towards those certifications as well. And so we're on the Tidewater Volunteer Fire Department dashboard. We'll use them as our example. And you'll notice in the training module here, you have that training hub that you can go to for adding training. You can also look at completions. Here is where you would start to develop a report for your personnel to see where they're at on working toward one of their disciplines. So I'm going to click the report link, and once again it takes us to a wizard that we can use to develop the report, design and develop the report. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start. And here it allows me now to, and this is very similar looking to the training submission module, and we did that intentionally, so the screen looks pretty familiar to you, I'm sure. We're going to go up here and select a discipline, and in this case we're going to select driver, operator, pumper. So our administrator wants to see where the members of the department are as they complete their objectives for driver, operator. Once again, I'm going to ask the system to search for all objectives for driver, operator. Pulls up 21 objectives, has them listed here, has the description of each objective. And again, because I want to see exactly where the members in the department are on this, I want to select all of the objectives. So I'll have those moved over to the third column. Click Next. And again, because I want to see everyone in the department, I'm going to have it select the entire roster, move them over, and then click Next. And I have developed a report. I've designed a report that now shows exactly where each person is in terms of objective completions. So each objective is listed. In this case right now we have it displaying the text for that objective, the description for it. This first objective happens to have a lot of sub-objectives built into it, so it's pretty in-depth. But you can see for each person whether they've completed that particular objective or not. And as you go to scroll down, you'll see objective number 2, whether that one was completed by each person or not, objective 3, and so on. So you now have a good picture as to exactly where everyone's at as they work toward their driver operator certifications. This also allows you to export this report, and it'll export to an Excel document, so you can do that as well. Also, before I do that, you can also come up here, and if you wanted to simplify what you're looking at on the screen a little bit, you can actually uncheck those to where you don't see the descriptions for each objective. If you wanted to just see it this way, you could do that as well. But if you click Export, it will export it to an Excel file. Okay, I went ahead and exported that particular report that we just did to an Excel file, and I've got it pulled over now onto my screen so I can look at it. And so what you're seeing here is tab 1 of the report, and this is just a key for the objectives themselves. We did run a report for all 21 objectives. It has the text or the description for each of the objectives listed there. And then if I go to tab 2, this is where it will show me exactly where everyone's at as to whether an individual has completed or not completed each one of the objectives. And so that's how you use the Training Objective Report for your department. Again, it's a great tool to find out exactly where everyone's at on their training status as they're working toward the various certifications, and it also again lets you, as the department administrator, design training classes for your folks. Again, from the dashboard, you can get to that right here, like from your training module. Thanks for watching.